Hi, I'm Pauline from Bolton Technical. Today I'm going to show you how to install a cellular signal booster in your vehicle. Signal boosters are great to keep you connected wherever you need to travel. Let's get started. Inside your box you will find an installation manual, a WeBoost AM100 Pro, a 10cm outside magnet mount antenna, an inside broadcasting antenna, a power supply with USB that plugs into your power adapter port. I would recommend starting with a soft install before permanently installing the system to ensure you are happy with the coverage area. The soft install is simply placing the components in the areas where you think you want them, making sure that the cables reach the booster before permanently installing the system. Once you are happy with the placement of all the components, you are ready to begin. Start with mounting the outside antenna on the roof. The antenna mounts to your roof using a super strong rear earth magnet. Just pop it onto your roof and make sure it is at least 15 centimeters away from any windows or any sunroofs and 30 centimeters away from any other antennas. This is a very important step. Having it too close to a window or sunroof can cause oscillation. With the antenna in place, run the cable to a nearby door. There is a weather seal running around the lip of your door. On most vehicles, this is removable. Simply pull it back a couple of centimeters to create a space to run your cable through. Press the weather seal firmly back into place. The cable is thin yet strong and is designed to be shut in a door. Run the cable to where the booster will be installed for a professional look. Run the cable behind your weather seal or inside panels in your vehicle. Next, install the inside antenna. Make sure you place the Velcro strip in an area close to where you will use your cellular device such as dashboard, phone cradle or seat. Now install the booster by connecting the cables from the outside and inside antennas and connecting the power supply to your power adapter. Once done, you can simply slide in and underneath a seat or mount it in an area that is out of the way. That covers how to install a signal booster in your vehicle. Make sure to plug in all your antennas before you switch on your booster. Keep the antennas away from any windows, sunroofs or any other antennas. When you switch off your ignition, don't forget to switch off the amplifier so that it doesn't drain the battery of your vehicle. Bolton Technical, built for better signal. You can find us on www.boltontechnical.co.za.